I'm Paul Rissler, owner of Paul Rissler Transportation, LLC. This one here is a 2016 glider. Got a Detroit in it, 13 speed, 355 rears. This one came from Illinois. I don't know, a young guy had it that was hauling logs with it and had an end dump or something. Wasn't pulling a reefer, that's why the stacks are short. I just gave my other truck up, my truck I was driving, I gave it to a driver. And so I needed another truck, and I started digging, and I found this one. The only thing we really done to it is put the half fenders on the back. This is a new style fender that Peterbilt came out with. See, they come down to a gangster style. They match our bumpers. This isn't the new bumper on here yet. But if you look at the Kenworth over there, you'll see that bumper, how it comes around. They match these. And man, we didn't do much to it. It was pretty nice when I got it. We have a lot to do to it yet, but yeah, it's just, I had to go trucking and put it on the road quickly and go.
Fix the power steering.
Power steering, yeah. Yeah, it was leaking like a sieve. Oh, I put all new shocks and airbags and air rod. You know, I went through the whole truck like that, making sure it's mechanically sound, because the bushings were out, the bolts were broken, and stuff like that on the bunk.
Worn out, yeah.
Yeah, as soon as I drove it, I felt it was going clunk, 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 you know how they do. And so I brought it home and did all just the major stuff that had to be roadworthy, you know. And this is my 25 trailer here. It's we built it for a show last year, and it is a utility.
Okay. The reefer unit is what?
Carrier with iBright on it. We have tracking and can tell everything what's going on in the reefer unit, in the trailer. I can monitor all my reefers, where they're going, how fast they're going down the road, what the temperature is in the box, inside, front, back. Because we do a lot of LTL, so if the guy has his bulkheads up, at least we know what the temperature is in the back, you know.
Sure.
It's not too warm. We can print it off. We can make a printout, and if somebody says their product was too warm or too cold, sometimes they want fresh and it's too frozen.
Yeah.
And if we print it out and it shows right on, it's not our problem, you know. Different times it happened. All my trailers have the big fuel tanks on, 100 gallons or better. So we don't have to fill them up as much, you know.
Right.
Get the fuel at the cheapest place so we can make the whole round or whatever, instead of buying expensive fuel in PA for a reefer.
Where did this Kenworth come from for you?
This one came out of Keokuk, Iowa. He had a driver in it. Bought it brand new, had a driver in it. Driver got some kind of cancer or something, so he's off the road. And I almost didn't get it. I dealt with him for 3 hours on last Saturday, and then he texts me back, he goes, I'm not going to sell it to you, I'm going to sell it to my driver. My driver wants it. Sunday night, he goes, that truck's for sale, you want it? And I said, yeah. Anyway, Monday morning, we went up there, me and Wes, and picked it up. It's got a cat in it. It's a glider also, yeah.
What's the year of the truck?
19.
Okay.
And it's got 13 speed and 336 rears, I think.
Okay. The
studio sleeper, you know, had the couch and everything back there. I got it for my driver that was running a 46-inch flat top and couldn't take his wife along anymore because it's such a small bunk. And she made the comment that she'd like to go with him again. I said, you know what? Our trucking is all about family.
Sure, yeah.
And if a woman wants to, as a wife or a woman wants to go along with their husband, they deserve to go along and be with them. Yeah. So I said, let's buy another truck. We found this, and I mean, he's a Kenworth man.
What was he in before?
A flat top
Peterbilt.
46-inch Peterbilt. Yeah.
Like the one we were just looking at.
Yeah. His other truck was all matching painted rails. It was dark red. And I gave him this trailer to pull because I had it sitting there and it don't have no painted rails or anything. So it matches this truck. It's pretty nice. Yeah. It's a 15 grade name. And we're going to paint the doors silver. Okay. And then he'll have a nice setup. So I number all my trucks by the year. That's a 4.25, because I just bought it in 4. This one I bought in 5.25. Actually, we bought it the last day but we couldn't have them both the same number, so I went to 5.25 on this. If you know, 5.25 is a Cummins.
Right.
It's a Cat 5.25. That's a Detroit 4.25. 4.25 should be 4.25 should be the Cat, right?
Right.
That's kind of funny.